3rd July, 11:30. The capacitor came in recently. Sadly, it's just way too big. So I'm going to make this or make do temporary while I get the proper size. This is actually a nice cap. It's metallized. The other one is plastic. So it wouldn't swell and explode and create hassle being metal and all. So a lot of the things will need to be replaced. So I prepped the cable somewhat, but it's not fully prepped. So again, I'm just going to do things quick and dirty just to make the submer work. Okay, it's all wired up. I'm not happy with my work. However, it's just quick and dirty. I just need the submer working. So I'm gonna plug it up and test it, see what happens. Hopefully it won't emit smoke. Okay, it's working. It's all plugged. And then turn on the relay. Turn on the fuse. Yeah, it's working again. Oh well, thanks for watching.